Hello everyone. Welcome to the Akash tutorials. So today we will learn about three logical operators which are AND, OR and NOT. These operators are used with the where clause which we have started in our previous section. So let us see how we can use these logical operators with the where clause. So dear, as we were on the stock table, so these are the records. Now for example, I want to see the detail of those items which are having price equal to 100. So I will write down select star from stock where price equal to 100. So it will show me, where quantity is equal to 100. So it will show me the record where quantity is 100. But if I want to reverse my query, suppose I want to see the record of all the items except those who are having quantity is equal to 100, means the items which are having quantity 100, I do not want to see the records of those items. So simply I will use not operator here. So simply put sign of exclamation equal to. It becomes your not operator. So it will show you all the records except those who are having quantity equal to 100. You can also write down this not operator in this way, less than and greater than sign. There's one more way to write down the not operator. So you can simply write down greater than equal to 100 and here you can write down not. So not quantity greater than, not quantity equal to 100. So it will reverse the query. So you can see how we can use the not operator in the MySQL. Second, we have the AND operator. Now for example, in my table I have, let us show me you all the records. Now I want to see the quantity, and I want to see the record where quantity is greater than 150 and less than 200, including both values. So I have two conditions now. So simply I will use select star from stock where. Now here I have two conditions. So when you have two conditions, either you have to use AND or you can use the OR operator. So this depends upon what condition you have to apply. So AND is used when you want to have both the conditions true. जब आपकी दोनों कंडीशंस ट्रू हों तब वो आंसर आपको दिखाना है, तो उसके लिए आप एंड यूज करते हो। जब कभी आप ये चाहते हो कि दोनों में या दो से ज्यादा में से कोई भी एक कंडीशन ट्रू हो जाए तो आपका आंसर होना चाहिए, उस केस में आप और यूज करते हो। जैसे कि इस केस में आई वांट कि जब मेरी क्वांटिटी 150 से ज्यादा हो एंड वो क्वांटिटी 200 से कम हो, उन्हीं आइटम्स का रिकॉर्ड मुझे देखना है। तो इन माय क्वेरी आई वांट बोथ द कंडीशंस टू बी ट्रू, so simply I will use AND operator where quantity should be greater than or equal to 100 and quantity should be less than or equal to 200. Condition can be anything. So let me, I gave the wrong column name. So now you can see it will include both the values 100, 200. So all the items which are in this range, whose quantity is in this range, will give you the answer. This is how we can use the AND operator. Second, we can take one more example. Let us say where quantity is more than 100, but price should be less than 14. So let us see. Select star from stock where quantity is more than 100 and price is less than let's say 14. So let's see, do we have such record? Yes. So these are the records in which quantity is more than 100, you can see, and price is less than 14 and equal to 14 is written, so of course it will consider that also. So this is how you can see how the AND operator works. In this case, it has not considered this 100 because for this condition is true, but this condition is false because the price is 16. So it will only show you those records for which both the conditions are true. Whereas in OR operator, either of the conditions should be true. So if I write down here OR, so it becomes either the quantity is greater than 100 or the price should be less than 40. So in this case, it will show me all the records because because the conditions are true, Let us say I want to see where quantity is greater than, let's say 200, okay, or where price is less than, let's say 14, okay. So now let's see what happens. So now you can see here. So this record has come 125 because here I know the quantity is not more than 200, but see, here the price is less than or equal to 1400. So this part of the query is true. So in the next case, 160, this part is not, this condition is not fulfilled, but the price is less than 14. So this part is true. So that is why this record has come. So in the third record, you can see this condition is true, but this condition is false. But because this condition is true, so that's why record is there. So either of the condition is true, so OR operator will provide you that record. Whereas in AND, both the condition has to be true. So I hope my lecture is clear. So AND operator, OR operator, NOT operator. These three are the logical operators. AND operator is used when you want both the conditions or more than two conditions. If all the conditions are true, then you want to see the record, you have to use AND operator. OR operator is used when either of the condition is true. Suppose you have given 2 or 3 conditions. If you feel that even one of the condition is true, you want to show the result, you can use the OR operator. Whereas NOT shows you the reverse of the theory. So NOT operator, as we have covered. So you can see here the quantity is not equal to 100. So it will not show you that record, and rest of the records it will show you. So these are the AND, OR and NOT operator. In my next video, I will tell you about the precedence of the logical operators. So that is the important thing that we will cover in our next video. I hope you like my lecture. If you want more updates, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.